I'm Prakriti.
I'm Alap.
My name is Parizad.
I'm Davidson.
My name is Salome Christie. My name is Kokila Bhattacharya.
I'm Dibhanshu Maulik.
I am Sushmita.
Hi, I'm Sonaksha.
My name is Pavitra Chari. Everybody around us deals with issues of mental health.
So I'm part of the organizing team that's put together Man Mela, and we're just here curating this residency where we got together 10 young artists and 4 really cool mentors to try and see what they can collaborate with and come up with the end of 3 days for our Man Mela project.
Man Mela is essentially a traveling museum for mental health that will travel to several locations all over India in the coming year. The idea with Man Mela is to create several engaging, experiential and educative experiences for young people, combine digital storytelling with physical arcade-like experiences as well as with informative pieces that can be consumed by not just young people but also the people who accompany them.
I think the design for mental health residency is a really interesting sort of approach to the idea of talking about mental health, and I feel that bringing young artists together to be able to co-create projects is a way of being able to bridge the gap that exists.
At this residency, I think we've been exploring our own understandings of mental health as creatives. I've been working with some really amazing artists, illustrators, writers from across this country. So we've been ideating, we've been trying to reach at a prototype of what we can show at this Man Mela, where we will have young people come who may or may not know much about mental health, but how can they approach mental health in this day and age. So we're working on a lot.
We're trying to tell one story but using a range of different media to tell that, and the story that we are trying to tell is that everybody has mental health, and that mental health is one of our biggest assets.
Arts can bring these stories out because finally human beings want connections, and human beings want understanding, and human beings want to be heard. Residencies such as these are such spaces where you are given these spaces where you can be everything that you need to be, good, bad, ugly, everything, because finally that is the process.
Residencies like these bring artists from various mediums and various genres and various backgrounds together, and I think it's very important for certain established artists to engage with younger artists and sort of establish this dialogue and a learning process that is beneficial to both sides.
We really believe in the power of people's personal experiences, and in our work we also champion lived experience as a means of telling these stories. So the different artists that are at this residency also have very personal journeys with their mental health, and they are really here to try and use their mediums and their art to tell these stories.
It's also a great way to meet like-minded people, to collaborate, and to learn things from each other.